Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to view Substack drafts. First, go and log into your Substack account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to your dashboard. Once in, on the left side, go to your post section. You'll notice a few different categories, things like published post, scheduled post, and of course, drafts. Click on the drafts tab. And here's where all your saved but unpublished posts are stored. Substack automatically saves your work while you're writing, so even if you exit in the middle of typing, you'll find the latest version of your piece right in the drafts. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your draft titles. To continue working on one, just click on the title and it will open right back up in the editor exactly where you left off. You can keep editing, polish it up, and when you're ready, either schedule it for later or hit on the continue button and send it out to your audience. So that's all there is to it. Just a few clicks and you can always return to your drafts and pick up where you stopped. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.